buddy. Oh, wait. Ah! Archie, you would love this. Wait. Ah! I'm fine, I'm safe. Don't worry about me. Going very slow, going 20 miles an hour. Just wanted to show you guys what I'm driving through. Alright, love yous. Bye.